Microsoft reports earnings on Wednesday, and you want to know, should you buy, sell, or hold the stock? That's exactly what we're talking about today. We're talking about Microsoft Corporation. Exactly that's what we're talking about today. So let's dive deep into the data. First of all, what is Microsoft doing as and what they write about themselves, what they're doing. So as you can see, what we have here is Microsoft 365 and the premium offer. So first we gonna understand the business, and then we come later on the financial data, and then on the chart and my final outlook. So first of all, let's start. I mean, everybody has heard of PowerPoint, Word, Excel, Outlook, and so on. Really, really successful products who have made Microsoft one of the most valuable companies in the world. They not only have the business of Microsoft 365, the software, they also have now also with the acquisition of Activision Blizzard, the gaming, which means basically also they bought Xbox, right? So they have also different games, also different PCs they're selling, where this Microsoft software is there. Yeah, and that's exactly. And they sell different stuff, as you can see. And recently also for 365 with the Copilot, which is similar to Chat GPT. And yeah, when you also look at the AI thing, like they say about AI, cloud productivity, etc., etc. What has made this stock so famous, so valuable recently, is that they are part of OpenAI, which is privately the most valuable company, which is private, which is not on the stock market, and that's actually huge because it's the biggest company because everybody has, that I think they in 5 days where they launched ChatGPT, they had already 1 million users, so they're really crushing it with Microsoft. And yeah, they have the cloud stuff, and yeah, I think they've done pretty good on the past years. As you can see here, they were already doing really, really good. And yeah, that's exactly what we're talking about. But let's look on the financial side, what they're doing on the revenues. As we can see, we have gross profits, and yeah, especially margins, which are absolutely crazy. As you can see here, the earnings from continuing operations are, bro, these are millions and millions and millions of dollars. For the second quarter is here now. As you can see, this is absolutely, absolutely crazy. What they have on the earnings, the last earnings, they beat them, right? 3.65 billion dollars. This is fucking crazy in a fucking quarter, right? And with a revenue actual of 76 billion. This is as you can see here. When you can see the EPS change year to year, we have growth rates which are over 10%, which is massive for a company who's doing billions and billions of dollars. And we have the valuation. Gonna take a look at that, and we can see difference to sector 56%. But for me, it's like not that big deal because they are really big in the AI business. It can instantly implement OpenAI to all their products. What bothers me is the price earning ratio of 300, of 38. Like even next year, it's over 30. It's 33. When you compare this to Alphabet is also an AI stock. It's 26, and here for the next year we have 33. Like it's a bit high. It's a quality stock, but really that big, I don't know. Like we can gonna see continuing their growth rates of even almost 20% on 27 and 28. This is massive. I mean, it's really hard to beat them, these growth rates. With yeah, but they have, I think they have potential, right? Like Microsoft did always really good. I think they have a good CEO. I believe in the management, but still, for me, 38, like, you have to be really good. You have to be. They have to beat all these um, earnings per share estimates to um, yeah, to just make a bigger rally, because we already, for earning with 25% is massive. And yeah, let's take a look at the chart. Right, as you can see here, we have this is the March. As you can see, this was a pretty good buying opportunity when you buy $400. My friend also bought at $400. When you look at that, we have a massive trend on the upside. Um, this is just, and we're still up when you look at this. I will tell you how much percent we did since the Trump tariffs. 50%. 50% is crazy. Like, it's massive. For me, it's a bit hot. I mean, look at that. We had already the all-time high. It's still $500. I mean, the growth rates are really ambitious, and if they hold, and if they even beat Microsoft, can definitely also do a 20% next year. That's no problem when they continue to doing this, and I think they are in a good position. What bothers me is a bit that the market has still evaluated this like on 38 and 33 for next year. It's, to me, it sounds a bit expensive, right, for a stock like Microsoft. I don't know. Like, we still have also problems which people are maybe not seeing. For example, like, let's say the cartels, right? They have so much power already. Mm, Maybe they can't do other acquisitions. Maybe they have to sell part of the company, especially if they are cooperating with OpenAI. This could be a problem. But yeah, I mean, it's an AI race. With when Google is doing a better product, I think Google is going to do way better than Microsoft. So when you look at Microsoft, I think you always have to look also at Google, what they're doing with their AI model and with their business, because I think their business is pretty similar, and I think Alphabet is cheaper and also has more upside potential compared to Microsoft. So I'm actually curious about the yeah, the earnings per share, which are published on Wednesday. I think they will beat them lightly. I'm bullish on all the AI thing, but I'm not sure if they will continue to go up because they're already so high. They were already so expensive. I don't know. Like, maybe I think we can. I don't see that we just continue to go on this rally. I rather think that we just yeah, gonna stay at this point, and if they beat the earnings and just continue to grow, we have also a bit upside potential. I would say for next year maybe 10% if we don't have a recession or economic downturn. But I also have to say that if they do not beat them, and if the maybe cartel things pop up, or something other, or Gemini has a better model than ChatGPT, then I'm bearish. Then I'm bearish. So I don't know. To me, this I think then we have the risk side of $480. So for me, we don't have this much upside potential. I mean, it's a solid stock, but to me, I also have the risk of not having the best AI model, and I already have this valuated in this company. So yeah, you can hold this stock absolutely, especially if you're over 50% plus. I would recommend to hold, no matter how the third quarter was. Doesn't matter what the stock's doing after that. I wouldn't buy under $500, to be honest. At 450, I would consider, but even then, it's still is a bit expensive. So yeah, let me know what you think about Microsoft. I'm not really convinced, right? If you have it, if you can hold it, but mm, yeah, maybe if you're not sure and want to invest, maybe you can go better with Alphabet because it's more cheaper. As I mentioned in the other video, you can check it out, my Google stock video. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe and like, and write me down what stock next to analyze. All right, have a great day. Bye bye.